Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another video of mine. I don't have the box for this because I gotten some stuff for free, and this was just, she's like at last minute like, hey, do you need a vacuum? I said sure, and it's better than the one I have. That one's more better for like the car or getting like edges, places this one really can't get to as easily. But I like it. It works for me because it's a one-bedroom apartment, so I don't need a very fancy, like, this comes apart. It's a Bissell or Bissell, whatever. Isn't that? And you can also before I get to that, but I keep this on just because that's just how I use it. This part does come off with this lower latch here. You got the power button. And then this button here detaches this. And it is not wireless. Oops. Oh. I really like this vacuum because all this up here is literally dog fur. And you just pull this out and dump it. Like, it picks up quite a bit. Like, so that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. And until next time, peace out, everybody.